So guys, wala naman siya for the guys. Hi guys, it's August 11 and this is my first day as a junior. Wow! Oh my gosh, last year sinasabi ko lang, this is my first day as a sophomore. August 20. And this is my first day as a sophomore. This is my first day as a junior. So guys, ang klase ko is 2 to 3:30 p.m. Isang subject lang yun for Monday kasi dapat supposed to be dalawa siya. But, nag-cancel si Ma'am Zareen. And I'm so excited kasi this is my first day as a junior.
Ano? Araw pa lang tawagan. Tinanong, anong subject? Sabi niya, PN. Hindi ko narinig tinanong. Parang ang kinis naman namin.
Guys, it's our first day of class. Guys, wala pa pong ano dito. Nandun sa UE. Wala pang nagbibenta. Ba't nga eh? What's wrong? Sabi ko, official? Pipicturean ba? Sige, picture na daw. Ano na lang? Sabi ko din ako babalik sa pag-picture. Ay, kasi oh. Sabi niya, isang beses ka lang. Guys, day 2. Day 2 eh!
Naiigit, isali natin siya.
Oy! Oh, yan na! August 12.
Guys, nandito po yung mga index card.
I rin pa picture yung picture.
1, 2, 3. Ay,
Gutom na ako.
guys, follow Irish Vlogs.
Hi guys, third subject na namin.
Ayun, kita mo naman.
Third subject guys.
Ala, nanunus po.
Guys, late na naman siya for the third time. And 26. Ay! Guys, last sem na kami. Last sem. Pinabili.
Hi guys, gagawa tayo ng activity. Magkakat-cut lang tayo ng mga syempre, eduk student tayo. Tanggapin mo na yan. Na ganyan talaga ang mo. So guys, samahan nyo. Samahan nyo na kayo. Alin na kayo, samahan nyo. Nababaliw na ako. Shit, nabibis ko ng boyfriend ko. Kakater mo lang talaga siya. Dapat ayaw pang guntingin. Bakit? Ganun po yung sinabi ng aming instructors na dapat ating gawin. Hindi ko sa galing ko. Oh my gosh, I fucked up. Ang pangit. Ang pangit. Ulitin ko. Okay.
Yung pangatlo, alam niyo sa prestigious belief na to, na kapag magtatayo ng tulay, ng building, kailangan ng naman sa akin.
Alam mo yun?
At ang sinasabi
just want to take this moment to say thank you. Since freshman year, you've been by my side through everything. Looking back, I can't imagine going through this journey without you. Thank you for growing with me. Thank you for all the laughs, the late-night cuentos, the stress sa exams, and even the times na sabay tayong nagre-reklamo sa life. Hindi madali ang college life, pero naging mas magaan siya dahil kasama kita. You're not just a friend, you're family to me. No matter where life takes us, I know this friendship is something I'll treasure forever.